Who said pancakes couldn't be healthy? Our Power Pancakes recipe will prove them wrong. Now, let's dive into the world of pancakes with a healthy twist. We're talking about Power Pancakes, a plate full of goodness that doesn't compromise on taste. What makes these pancakes so powerful? The answer lies in the ingredients, all packed with nutrients to fuel your day. We start with whole grain flour. Whole grains are a rich source of fiber, helping you feel full longer and supporting a healthy digestive system. They also provide essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, folate, selenium, potassium, and magnesium. Next up, we have oats. Oats are not just for porridge, they make a fantastic addition to our Power Pancakes. They're a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they're known for their heart health benefits. Then we add a touch of cinnamon, not just for the warm, sweet, and woody aroma, but also for its antioxidant properties. A dash of honey or maple syrup provides natural sweetness. And let's not forget the protein-packed eggs that contribute to the fluffiness of the pancakes. Now, the secret to a healthy pancake lies not just in the ingredients, but also in the portion control. Remember, moderation is key. A couple of these hearty pancakes paired with some fresh fruits or a dollop of Greek yogurt make a balanced and satisfying breakfast. Making these pancakes is as straightforward as it gets. Mix the ingredients, ladle the batter onto a hot griddle, and flip when bubbles appear on the surface. In no time at all, you'll have a stack of golden fluffy pancakes ready to be savored. So don't let the word pancake fool you. These are not your typical syrup-laden stacks. Our Power Pancakes are a testament to the fact that healthy can be delicious. They offer a slow release of energy, keeping you fueled and ready to tackle whatever the day brings your way.